Compliment of the season, guys. I want to share with you how I exfoliate my face for a youthful glowing skin with my favorite products. Stay tuned. This right here is a Russian product. It's papaya scrub. Is a papaya extract. Okay, so I use it to exfoliate my face. This is not like the regular exfoliant that we know that has grains in them. No, this doesn't have any grain. It doesn't have a salt or sugar in it. It's just a plain smooth papaya extract. You use it to exfoliate your face, use it to scrub your face. I only use this 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week. Most times I use it just once in a week, so don't use it more than 2 times in a week. Okay, the benefit of exfoliating your face, it just feels smooth and soft and silky when you're done. Okay, like right now, like right here, whenever I make use of it, whenever I feel my face just feels so smooth. Like I just love sliding my hand over my face whenever I'm done making use of it. Whenever I exfoliate my face with it, my face becomes so smooth and slippery. Not just slippery but silky as well. Okay, just apply vitamin C on my face. Like I don't normally do this routine all the time. Exfoliating, I don't exfoliate all the time. Okay, just 2 times in a week. But my vitamin C, I use it every single day, like every other day. I used to miss this step. Okay, but since I started applying it religiously, like I started taking it seriously, I started using my vitamin C every day, every morning, I realized that my face became brighter. Like my face became a lot brighter. Okay, I also apply sunscreen as well, so that it doesn't spoil the work. So this is it. My face was just feeling so smooth, like so smooth, and I was just enjoying sliding my finger all over my face. Okay, so this is just my face moisturizer. Yes guys, it's Dr. Rachel moisturizer. Yep. Oh, this can never get old. Dr. Rachel can never go out of fashion. Okay guys, right here is my sunscreen. I'm applying my sunscreen right here. Okay, please don't joke with your sunscreen. Don't joke with your sunscreen. Always apply your sunscreen. It's very, very important. Very, very important. Okay, if you don't use your sunscreen, that means that hard work of doing skincare routine will just go to waste. It will all be in vain. So use your sunscreen. Okay, yes. So guys, I don't always apply oil on my face. Like it's not a regular thing, because most times my skin, I have a combination skin, so there are times my face produces a lot of oil, and there are times my face becomes so dry. Like this is one of the days my face becomes dry, so I just applied a little bit of oil. Just a little bit of oil on my face, just to give it that glow. Yeah, and this is jojoba oil. I've been using it for a while now, and it has been helping my skin to brighten up and glow. Yes. nice, okay, and it sinks into the skin. It's not greasy at all. So try it out, okay guys. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.